built the front end and stuff for it to make it look like a derby car.
Yeah. How long you been in the inspection process? And
I've been in the derby world. I've been running cars for 32 years. Yeah, I'm 42. I started when I was 10. Yep. I'm fully invested. I own the Simple Solutions as my personal parts company that I do demolition derby parts. That's my full-time career.
you got that kick-ass golf cart.
Yep. We go to Australia in July. You had to run derbies in July for Team USA,
Sounds like
I've never been yet. I'm excited to go though. I'm not excited to go there and know that I'm going to be the target because I'm out of the country, but yeah. Dustin kind of got us involved with the Australians, and we built some cars for them to run Bristol last year. So they came in and ran Bristol, and as a return to favor, we're going there to run with them. So it's a pretty cool gig.
you got your passport and everything.
Yep. Dustin, myself, and Devin. You know Devin. We built 2 cars in 2 days for them guys to go down there and run. It was fun. In my shop, we had jumped on 2 cars. Yeah, it kind of helps being a derby guy and a builder and a driver and a parts manufacturer that you understand that a car bent. You know, you're not going to have the guy pull it and bend it back down. You know, if he ain't got time to do that. He's on a crunch time. He has to get it here by a certain time. It has to be in that lot by a certain time. There's only so much they can do to be back and qualify and be running. So,
Follow the rules, but keep it reasonable.
yeah, you got to follow it, but at the same time, sometimes there's a little bit of gray where you got to try to use common sense and make it work. We can sit here and haggling for 3 hours, and at the end of the day, there ain't nothing but everybody's just going to be mad at each other. So I was looking for a golf cart, or for the demolition derby for us to run around on, and I sell parts. So when customers buy parts, I want to be able to throw them on the back and take them. So I made a post on Facebook looking for a golf cart. One of my buddies had reached out and said that they had wrecked a golf cart of their grandpa's when they were kids, and the grandpa was mad and put it up, and it was for sale. So I bought it off of them, and the front end was smashed back. So me and 2 other guys built the front end and stuff for it to make it look like a derby car, to where when we took it to the events, it's derby related. My daughter and some of her friends, when we go camping, they take it to the campground, they beat around on it. Everybody uses it at the derby, so it's just become a thing that a lot of people enjoy because it looks like a derby car and it's a golf cart. So it's a
Telling me like it got smashed all the way back.
Yeah, the front end was smashed back all the way to the dash. It was actually behind the wheels. I had to reconstruct all that in there. And that's kind of what led to building it to be a derby car, because when I started, I was wanting to just make it to where it looked like a brand new 1988, right? Make it all fancy. Well, the front end was smashed. The parts are hard to get, and when you do find them, they're really expensive. So I did it for half the money to make it look like a derby car, and it's actually turned out better in my opinion. It is a 1988 and it's all mixed. It's got like the newer style top. We put LED lights because it would look funny with headlights, because derby cars don't got them. Steering wheel that my dad bought me when I was 17, 18 years old for a vehicle I had. I sold it and I took the steering wheel out of it. I bought a derby steering wheel for it, but where it's a golf cart and it's small, the steering wheel looked like it should go in a semi truck. So I went to this little bitty one. We added a rear seat. These didn't come with that rear seat like that. That's also off of a new one. You can see we welded everything and made it all fit the older style cart. So, but it is a 1988 single cylinder, 2-stroke. So a lot of people put stickers all over it and stuff, and it's just a fun piece to take with us and keeps us from walking when we're out of shape. So, yep.
You gotta have at least 600 horsepower with all those stickers, right?
Oh yeah, that's if you turn it up, you know. Without the stickers, it's a little slower, but